Hey.
Hello.
Hey, Ratchet.
Hi, Ratchet.
What's up, Ratchet?
What's up? Y'all know what time it is?
Ain't nothing but a number.
It ain't nothing but a.
It ain't nothing but a number.
It ain't nothing but a number. It ain't nothing but a. You say because of my ex, girl.
Age ain't nothing but a number.
What's up, Ratchet?
What's going down, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Ratchet CHATZ. As you know, we stop every Wednesday at 9:30 p.m.
Before we do all of that,
But before we do that, you got something for us here?
Ratchet, do y'all know what time it is? If y'all fuck with the show, y'all already know what to do in the comments, because it's time to get us going with a little something like this. If you ratchet in, you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet in, you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet in, you know it, then your bitch will surely show it. If you ratchet in, you know it, clap your hands. 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 Hey! And again, welcome.
happy
y'all.
Wednesday. I love Wednesdays. It's one of my favorite days of the week.
Happy hump day.
Happy hump motherfucking day. Like I said, it's your girl Erica.
And I'm your girl Boogie.
And I'm Caleb.
And if your black ass missed the motherfucking show, Kayla was gonna let y'all know where to find us. But before we get into where to find us, we are your lovely hosts of Ratchet CHATZ podcast.
And why is it called podcast, young lady?
If you don't know by now,
we smoke a lot of
we
pot.
smoke a lot of pot on the show. And if
Podcast.
you're watching the show, you need to be smoking some pot with us.
We need you to roll up.
We need you to roll up.
Roll up.
We're going to be rolling up all throughout the show, okay? So with that being said, light up, pour up, because this is 40
Get
minutes of
fucked up.
exciting. So what we talking about tonight, ladies? What is the topic of tonight's show?
Tonight's show is about age ain't nothing but a number.
Or is it?
Or is it? So they say.
So they say.
It's the let's think.
But we might think otherwise.
Exactly.
So, if you missed tonight's show, we are live. We're available. We're tonight up until tomorrow. But if you don't get a chance to catch us tonight, where can they find us, Caleb?
You can find us on YouTube. Just remember, if you missed the episode tonight, all you gotta do is catch that link in the bio, and it's Ratchet_CHATZ with the Z.podcast. Please make sure to follow us on Instagram. Also, when you go on YouTube and watch the show, please hit subscribe. Click that little thumbs up and like our page, because we need all that for us to keep this going. If not, this bitch gonna be canceled.
Okay.
Okay?
Y'all want us to cancel the motherfucking show?
We not gonna cancel. We gonna cancel who don't fuck with us.
Oh, better.
Period.
Better.
That's
Period.
Period.
You fuck with us or you get canceled.
Basically.
And that's on period.
Cheers, bitches.
Cheers to a wonderful show tonight. So with that being said, Aisha motherfucking Curry.
Yes, that's our social media topic for
And
tonight.
Keisha Cole. We're gonna get on Keisha.
Yeah, we're gonna get on Keisha.
Yeah, Keisha's actually gonna kick her show out tonight. So with that being said, what y'all feel about Aisha, bro? Is everybody doing
Okay.
so much?
I'm
So,
gonna say,
can somebody break it down just in case if y'all didn't see it?
okay.
So the comments, everybody going crazy. Basically, Aisha sat down with Jada, her mom, and her daughter, and she just made a brief comment. And everybody's now listening to how she even led up into that comment. They're only going off just that one little bit of snippet of the interview where she said, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it bothers me that basically, you know, she doesn't feel like she gets the type of attention that her husband gets, although he is the superstar. She just feels like since she's been married to him, the lack of attention in regards to how attractive she is to somebody else has lacked. Now everybody want to blow the shit up based on how she said sometimes it bothers me.
And I get where she was coming from. Basically, she not saying she want niggas to fuck with her. She just want to still feel like she's attractive, which I'm sure she knows she is. But every human being, male or female, wants attention. Period. You want it from your spouse. You just want attention. Like, you know, especially if your nigga always getting attention. He always, and where you go, you know, you want your nigga to feel like you can be took too. I mean, not even necessarily be took, but it's just like, you just want to know you still got it. You know, and I feel like that's a natural feeling. Everybody understands. You can play dumb and be like, what? Why you need to feel
why would you like that? You married?
Don't play. You know you want to feel that, like, you know, that little.
And it has even nothing to do with her husband being a celebrity. It's just in general, you want to still feel like you still got it.
In a regular marriage, they've been together for 20 years. No, but 15 years. But considering us, if I was married to my man for 15 years, regardless of how in love I am with him, regardless of where the status of our relationship is, a part of me would feel, even if I went out with my homegirls and not with my husband,
right?
If they were getting hit on and I wasn't, although I may be the married one in the group, it's just a person gonna try to holler at you based off attraction. And she's just going off of traction. She's not going deeper than that. She's going based off looks. People swarm over her husband, so she's basically just saying, off attraction, I don't get the attention that maybe I would like. Sometimes.
I agree with that. And it's okay.
Right.
She's not saying she want to cheat on her husband, have an affair. She's just saying, you know, I don't get the same attention that my husband gets. And, you know, sometimes I kind of want that attention. I don't want to be the one always saying, get out my man face, get out my man face.
Right.
Like, you know, it feels good to, you know, for my man to be like, hey, I'm married. Or maybe I want to be like, I'm married. Maybe I want to say that sometimes. I'm sorry, I'm married.
And that's what she's saying. She doesn't need, she wants the opportunity to even turn a nigga down. She said she doesn't even get the opportunity to turn niggas down. Not saying that that's some shit she want to do all the time, but like she said, sometimes. People are forgetting she just said sometime.
Right.
Not like the bitch want her DM to be
right.
And I'm pretty sure it's hard for her. Like, your husband's a celebrity. He's getting all the attention. You basically like in the behind.
You like that.
You're not getting attention. So I can understand that. The only difference it would be if she acted on somebody saying, oh, you know, I'm trying to holler at you. That would only be the different thing. But she's not saying that. I don't even know why niggas are just going extreme.
So why do y'all think niggas are going up to taking it so
because
personal?
they're not a woman and you don't understand.
Niggas take the fact that she wants attention from another nigga. Period.
That's all I hear.
That's all I hear.
And that's
you
not
want
what she's
attention from
saying.
another nigga, and that alone annoys a nigga because they like, oh, she on house shit. She want attention.
That's how niggas be thinking. She's on house shit.
You're not listening.
And niggas think y'all be the main ones. Y'all want attention from them hoes.
Right. Because I know there's some married men who take their ring off when they're going out with their friends.
We can bring up the Martin episode.
Yes.
Y'all know how in love he was with Gina.
Exactly.
When they went to that gym one time, he saw them hoes in there. He saw Cole and Tommy trying to get at them hoes.
Right.
He wanted to see if he still had it. Now, he wasn't even thinking about them hoes. But just to see how they was going to flop, he took off his motherfucking ring. Again, like he said, just to see if he still had it. It didn't take away from none of his love from Gina. And then he didn't really give a fuck about them hoes. He talked bad to them hoes afterwards, but he just still wanted to get that satisfaction.
Right. So I don't see nothing wrong with what she's saying, but niggas, y'all are taking it to the extreme. You're not listening.
They not.
You're not listening. That's not what she's saying.
So let's jump into Keisha real quick. Keisha motherfucking cold, y'all. She done got knocked up by 25, y'all.
But she's gonna lead into our topic.
Okay, and let's just get these ages out here. Keisha Cole is 38. We did our research. 37. 37. I'm sorry.
Oh, 1 year difference on me.
Keisha is 37. She's
Right.
37, 38. We think she's 37. Oh boy, it's 25. That's a 12-year difference.
But they've been together for about 2 years now.
Which leads into our
And
topic.
and I haven't literally heard anything. I mean, not saying that they have a perfect relationship, but there hasn't been any scandal yet.
And my thing is, Keisha Cole is a celebrity. If she really wanted to date somebody else,
She could.
She could. And sometimes you can't help who you fall in love with. Age to me is just a number. Like, if she fell in love with him, she probably wouldn't even stun this young ass nigga like, oh, I don't really like him like that, but end up falling in love with him.
Who says he didn't make her feel the way a man has never made her feel?
Right. All the other niggas done cheat on her ass. So
who says he made her?
then stepping up to be a father to your son.
Oh, that's a bigger
step.
To be honest, the guys that I meet are married and are over 30 or over 25. They're married over 25 and still fucking around. So, I mean, age really, it's just a number. I mean, me personally, it's a mental thing though. I don't know if I could fuck with a nigga 12 years younger than me just because my mental, you know,
you wouldn't be able to get over his age,
I
no
wouldn't be
matter
able,
how good he
and that's
treated
what
you.
it is. What she said, exactly what it is. I wouldn't be able to get over the fact that he's 12 years younger than me. Period. He probably could be a good guy, but I wouldn't be able to see it because I'll be so blinded by his age. Like, it'll just be just every day. And then it's like anything he try to tell me, if he try to be a man to me, I'ma like probably, you know, be like.
But why would it be different if a 37-year-old tell me that way?
It just because of his age. It's simply because of his age. I really don't even like dudes younger than me. I would probably date a guy 2 years younger than me max, and that's like pushing it because, like I said, I don't even like young niggas. So if you 2 years younger than me, I'm pushing it. So if you 12 years younger than me, like,
and then you flip the script and then you look at J and B. She was 25. He was
but that's
37.
different. If you're 12 years older than me, I'm okay with that.
But I'm saying for men, so is it different from male and women? Because again,
For me it is.
see, for you it is because you gotta flip the script. He is 12
right.
years
There's some
Beyonce
niggas who
senior.
don't fuck with young girls.
And I
Exactly.
think with that is
Look
women
at Beyonce
mature.
and Jay-Z. Look how old he is
Faster.
now. So Beyonce's 36, 37, and
Right.
Jay-Z is almost
Was 50.
he's like 48, whatever. You know, it works for them. It works for some people. It just works for some people because she has always deemed very mature to me.
Right.
She's always been
And probably
mature.
had no choice
I
to
feel like
become
I'm
mature.
That's why I don't think
You've
I'm
been
a
mature.
nigga.
But
What's the youngest you can fuck with?
And okay, at this age,
At this age, do you want to tell your age?
I'm 30.
Okay.
So I'm 30 years old. So
I'm
at this
32.
age, the youngest I could give a nigga, like really even think about giving a nigga a chance, I ain't even gonna start. I'll go as young as 24.
Ooh.
And based on his mental and what he has going, now I'm not gonna say I'm just gonna fuck with any 24-year-old. But if he's 24
Yeah.
and he has some things going, I might give it a chance. You know.
So
yeah,
could you fuck with a 19-year-old?
No.
Could you fuck? Why? What if he was a good guy? Would you even give him a chance?
Considering between
What if
19
what
and
if he had a
24,
house, a car, and a career already?
he couldn't even drink, so I wouldn't give it a I wouldn't give it a
Okay, 21.
I'm 30. So 21, and he had some
House,
shit
car,
going.
house, car, career.
So for me right now, that's 9-year difference. No. I wouldn't want to do 9-year gap.
Hello.
I would be comfortable with at least 6 to 7 years.
At 30, 'cause I'm 30 now, I would say 26.
Be 100. So 26 is the youngest you be
Yeah,
comfortable with giving a
26. Because
chance.
I talked to a 26 or 27
And I say
year old.
24.
And they had their shit together. So honestly, it really ain't even about age. It's really, to me, it's really about mental. But 26 would probably be my max. But I may even consider somebody 25. Just depending
that's
on
only a 5 year.
right where you are mentally. Right.
That's
Because that's just like if I'm 35 and I date somebody who's 30.
Right.
And you have to think about
Yeah.
women sometimes. Well, I guess that'd be different, but yeah, I guess it just depends where you are mentally. Like if you ain't got shit going on for yourself, then no.
I'm not finna just go get no young ass nigga
Just
who
to be
ain't
doing it.
got shit going just to be saying I'm fucking with a nigga. No,
Nah,
that's
baby.
dumb. If I'ma fuck with a young nigga, please believe that young nigga gonna have some shit going.
Right.
We didn't even think about giving that nigga a chance
Yeah.
for the time of day. Period.
Exactly.
So,
So,
with that being said, what's
Keisha, do your thing. Pull the first question. We got a topic ball. Pull from the topic ball for all you new motherfucking commerce.
Hey, Ratchet.
AKA.
Thank y'all for watching.
So this is our first question. This is okay. So this is the mother dating somebody younger than them. So basically, the question is, how would you feel if your parent was dating somebody younger than you?
Or, and to add on to that question, is it more acceptable for your mother to date or your parent to date a younger person, or the child to date a younger person?
Fucking is fucking.
Ooh.
Mama,
I think I'm a
dad,
motherfucker.
me.
I know my mama get her pussy blown out by a 25-year-old.
Oh my god.
It happens every day.
You know what? I feel like mothers.
Every.
Ooh.
Mama.
Is that happening every day?
I out of about a 25-year-old nigga.
What if your mama was fucking a nigga you used to fuck with?
Oh, you didn't know.
What if it was a good dick nigga you used to fuck with?
Are you gonna say, "Mama, do your thing"?
What if that was one of your best links in life?
What if it was a nigga who just fucked the dog
Shit out of you.
ate that pussy?
And you never linked up with him again.
And then your mom
And you
like,
always
"I'm
wondered
thinking
about
about
that
it."
nigga.
And your mom been fucking with him about 5 months.
But you didn't know. Your
You
mom
still
like,
don't want that.
"Nah."
Get some from your mama, please.
Yeah.
Damn, that's
See that?
crazy.
Damn.
That shit look familiar. Okay, whatever. I'm sorry.
Okay, fuck.
You go in. He on the couch. He see you. You see him.
Mom.
You gotta keep it cool. Now.
Mama!
Mama!
What you gonna say?
Mama!
Mama, what?
What the fuck going on?
What the fuck is going
Going on
on?
up in here? We need to talk about it.
Mama, you get fucked?
Yes. How did you get here?
She gonna say that's a new man. She in love though.
Let me introduce you.
To your stepdad.
Let me introduce you to my new lady.
So what you been cool with
You cool? Everybody cool? Cause she not gonna stop fucking with him just cause y'all fucked. That was a long
I'm
time
not
ago.
coming around.
I won't be.
You have never seen him since y'all fucked that time.
It would be weird for me knowing that your face been in my pussy, now your face in my own pussy.
Ooh.
That is disgusting. Sick.
And your pussy was in mama pussy.
Really?
That's
Like mama, like
So you ain't gonna come around no more?
no.
What if we try to get both of y'all together?
That's disgusting.
Damn! I'm freaking.
Nasty.
You
Sad.
don't fuck with your mama?
That's sickening.
You're
The
sick.
thought of you asking that question is even more sick.
That is disgusting.
I'm
Who would have
definitely
those
not fucking
thoughts?
with my
Who
mama.
knows? People are
No,
not.
Who would have those thoughts?
It was a scenario.
Oh.
That's disgusting.
Scenario.
Y'all are fucking disgusting. If y'all think I would ever do some shit like that.
When you fight on this show, you can possibly get swung on in an episode of Ratchet Chat.
Instantly.
It happens quite often.
Mark our words.
So back to our original question at hand. Would you be okay with your mama dating somebody younger? Honestly, I don't care. I don't be like, mama, really? I'm probably gonna talk
I
some
don't
shit.
care. But do you
I
think
don't
your
know.
mama would care?
Huh?
Do you think your mama would care?
About me dating somebody
It's the
younger?
fact that she found out that, her new nigga y'all had fucked previously.
I think she would.
You think
I
she
know
would?
my mama, I think she would. She'd probably
Would
be
you
like,
tell your
nah.
mama if she had started fucking with one of your niggas?
Would I tell my mama? If I saw her, she was fucking with one of my niggas, would I tell like, that's the nigga I used to fuck with?
Yeah.
Yes.
How you don't tell?
Same way I tell y'all.
I used to fuck him.
I used to mess with him. I wouldn't probably say fuck, but I'm say we used to have relations.
What if she be like, okay?
Exactly.
Then?
That's how you gonna look.
Yeah. Okay, what?
Okay, I'm gonna go back and
Thanks
do
for
this.
telling me.
Okay, I'm about to
Look,
leave.
I thank you, but I'm gonna go
And
back.
I would no longer be
I
coming
left you
here.
a plate in the refrigerator, but
I'm gonna get that plate though. I'm gonna get that plate.
really it's two to go plates. One for you, one for him.
I don't want the plate. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Fucking mama.
So was your parents trip about you dating somebody younger or older? Like you would date somebody who was 50?
I can't help with a 50-year-old nigga considering I'm 30.
Considering my mother is 50.
Considering
Actually, it's older. Yeah. My mama
My
is 50.
mother would
right?
be.
my mama would, she would
Upset.
trip, but she would accept it if I really, that's what I really want to tell
Yeah.
her. I mean, and it also depends on how he looked. What if he was bringing home a Boris Koja or Idris Elba?
Oh.
Will Smith, those are 50-year-old men.
Thank
Fuck
They're gonna
how it look.
accept
It
it.
depends on what kind of bills he was paying.
You
Right.
paying them all. Fuck what you think.
Mama,
you think,
right.
this is my husband. Fuck you. All the rest of you bitches.
Hey, we good over here.
We good.
I'm
Yeah,
good
you
for
got a
nothing.
problem.
I said husband. Yes.
Got the new range.
I said husband.
We in the house.
I'm good.
We good
I
I
over
don't
here.
care what kind of
Yeah,
problems
that
you have.
old nigga fucking the shit
Yeah,
out of
Take
me.
care
good.
of me. We can still have kids too.
And we're good.
And we're good.
Blue pill.
Really, he calling your mama mother-in-law? His old ass calling your mama.
That's my mama-in-law.
Disgusting.
I need to be the same name.
Stop
fam.
playing with me.
Fuck how.
It's Mrs. Lewis to you. Don't
This
call
is
me.
your age.
Yeah. We both had the same.
You're not gonna call me mother-in-law.
We had the same health problems.
I don't think my mom would trip either. Shit. I mean,
I
have talked to somebody who's like 45. So.
I talked to 42 was the
But did your mama know about that 45?
I told her.
Oh, how did she take it?
She just told me to be careful.
Yeah.
Cause I told her I met this guy. He's UPS driver, been doing this shit for 20 years.
Some niggas don't
Went on a date,
know.
and she was like, okay, well just be careful with him, cause these old guys, they just be wanting to,
They just be wanting to wait.
What, mama?
Wait.
What?
What's wrong? Say it.
They just be wanting to get a little something.
Say what you want to say. Just say that.
They ain't trying to get to know you.
She just really wants to let you know. They just gonna want to pussy.
Ooh.
She really
They
I
just
know
want
she
that
would not
pussy.
deliver it like
Baby,
that.
they see that little young pretty ass, they want that pussy.
And most of the time, that's all they want.
You know all niggas be loving the fuck.
They do.
And
A lot of times, those old niggas be going longer than some of these young niggas.
Especially all the niggas who work out.
Old niggas on God, they be mad when you don't be feeling like fucking. Like them niggas get irritated.
I feel like they get more money.
They know how to do. They know what to do. Them young niggas.
You know why? Because they 50 years in the game. They experience time play with your little
They
ass.
been fucking pussy for 50.
Oh, damn, not the long. They fucking 50 years.
Okay, well I say 5.
Oh, 10.
I saw the nigga been fucking for 30.
Damn.
13 good, yeah.
That's cool with me.
That's cool.
13 good for you?
That's cool with me.
Okay, nigga been sucking titties since he came out the womb though.
50.
Niggas been
That's
sucking
it.
them titties since he came out the womb.
Not everybody was a titty baby.
I wasn't a titty baby.
I wasn't a titty baby.
I
either.
definitely wasn't a titty baby.
Mm.
Everybody don't know how to suck titties.
I love my titties.
This is about to go left, y'all.
No, we talk about age and no.
Oh,
Do
sorry.
y'all think old niggas or young niggas fuck better?
Ooh.
Which one suck titties better?
I think it's ooh. Old niggas suck titties good than a hoe.
They suck titties.
They are experts. Hey, old niggas. Whole time child had they got that shit. Damn.
Look at the titties.
Niggas suck both
Ooh,
bitches.
bitch, be about to just oh.
Old niggas, talk to me real quick. Old ratchet.
niggas.
Hold on, who know how to eat Pepsi better? Young niggas, old niggas.
Ooh, them young niggas don't really know how to eat pussy.
Y'all young niggas don't know how to eat no
They be
pussy.
licking all around.
Oh, get up. Go.
30 up. 30
I want to
up.
say go to bed since you want to be childish.
Right.
You don't know what you're doing.
If you 50, you definitely know how to eat that pussy.
It ain't. Never mind. We said AJ number the number.
It ain't even no question. It's not gonna be a question for him. That's automatic.
That 50-year-old gonna know what to do.
He's automatic. He gonna turn that ass up. He gonna put y'all on something.
That 50-year-old is so experienced. when
What
it
y'all
comes
think
to
them 50-year-old women about then? If y'all think them niggas about that act? If y'all think that, and look at our mamas. Our mamas don't look up.
How you know your mama don't got doing some shit you don't even do?
Ooh.
Yeah, young bitch.
Bitch, what about your mama, hoe?
Young
Big
bitch.
booty ass mama, hoe.
Well,
She could be doing shit.
Yeah, your mama's getting that ass toe up.
From the
she
floor.
is married though.
Yeah, that make me wanna.
That's disgusting. That's sick. Can we stop talking about our mamas for a moment? 'Cause I can't take them up. I just can't.
Nah, oh God, bro. What if your mama was doing
My
some
mama
shit?
don't
you
watch
don't
this
do?
show, hoe, and she gonna see you saying that.
I don't want to talk about mamas no more. I want to talk about something else.
What if your mama catching and you not? Yeah.
Catch
Oh my
what?
God.
Is my mama catching what?
Yeah, y'all know.
Somebody gotta catch these
Nah, you just okay. Look, don't be playing, mom. Don't be playing dumb. If your mama don't catch that, what if your mama
Next topic,
catching
please.
nut and you
Next
not?
topic. I can't see that vision. That's disgusting.
Your mama got 20 plus years on you. You think she ain't never
Oh my
experienced that?
God. This is disgusting.
Real nigga shit. You might not be catching up, but your mama is, fam.
Can we talk about something else? I can't take it.
I can't. It's real.
Catch
Facts.
your mama.
So you okay with your mama catching it?
If that's what she do,
Your
that's
mom-
what she do. I can't control that grown ass woman growner than me who been doing this shit prior to me.
Yeah, they probably not okay with us catching nuts.
Let's start talking about facts. If your mama fucking, there's a possibility that she's caught nut. And that's the end of that discussion.
No, it's not. It is.
Would y'all rather y'all mama get nutted in or nutted? Okay, catch it.
I'd rather not talk to my mom and nut at the same time. That's what I'd rather not do.
Next case.
So basically, back to the main topic at hand.
Young nigga.
I'm okay if my mama dates somebody young.
Young nigga gonna be ski-nolling your mama.
I mean, she
You
can't
know
get
the young
pregnant,
niggas
so
don't like to
it's cool.
pull out.
She can't get pregnant, so what?
And that's why he gonna be ski-nolling up in her, cause she can't get pregnant and he a young nigga who don't like to pull out. Bam. Next topic.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
I think we got 3 more minutes of the show.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank y'all for tuning in.
So this is
Fuck
going
the
live.
Fuck the child.
Okay, let's go to the next topic.
That's disgusting.
Sick.
Happy
Right before Mother's Day. Disgusting.
That's what they gonna get on.
Okay. Oh my
That
god.
was disgusting.
It's sick. Okay. So what is the difference between date a young guy versus the old guy? But that's kind of what we just basically talked about. I think young guys be a little bit less experienced.
You know, we just talking about sex, or we just talking about overall handling it.
I think just in general, period.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I'm not gonna say all older guys got their shit together because they don't. Not all young guys got their shit together. It's vice versa. But mentally, I feel like an older guy, you know.
So I think the difference between dating the two all boils down to really nothing, because I've met a guy and dated a guy who was 44 to be exact, and he had ways of a 25-year-old.
Of course.
And I dated a 25-year-old who was on his shit, you know, focused on his credit, blah, 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 you know, and, you know,
He fucked the shit out you,
Right. So he had the business.
He fucked the dog shit out you.
Basically.
Exactly.
I really think it just depends on mentally, because age these days really don't even make a difference. All these things be childish, whether they 25 or 55.
25 to 55, on God. 25 to 55.
My uncle 80 years old and still be trying to be a hoe. So I guess some people don't grow up.
Some people know. Niggas, period, bro. It's just, if it's in you, it's in you, bro.
It's in you.
And
Some niggas just cheat. They just can't help themselves but to cheat.
it's an addiction. But it's like everything else can be an addiction. Fucking off on your bitch can be an addiction.
But I know it's like a lot of older women like younger guys.
They do. You
There's
see it
like
more.
two
You see it more now.
I don't know if it's that they like younger guys. I think it's that younger guys like older women.
Ooh.
I think it's both.
Because I meet a lot of niggas that do say they're attracted to older women.
And I meet some old, some niggas be like, yeah, older
Because
bitches
most of
be
the
trying
time
to
the
get
guys
that.
approach the women. Most of the time.
Yep.
So it has to be the guys who are just more attracted
Attracted to
those
those
older
women.
women.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Because I do get that. I talk to some guys that say they do like older women. And there's nothing wrong with that, because I would prefer an older man. Not saying that I'm not open to dating, a range of ages, but I would prefer somebody older than me. But that doesn't necessarily mean that's what I'm gonna get.
Right.
Exactly.
I just want somebody for me, whether that nigga 25 or 35.
I agree. I want somebody that's for me. Who gonna be
I just
for
need
me.
your mental to be right.
Yeah.
It ain't even about age these
Mental.
days, because age ain't really making a difference
And chemistry.
no more.
It
Chemistry.
says so much.
Yeah, energy. Like,
I can be chilling with a 35 and a 25-year-old who says that
I would
vibe is not
prefer
gonna be
him
a
to be
fool
older,
at 25. I would prefer to catch a vibe with
but
that
if I
35.
catch a vibe with a 25-year-old, I'm 28. The
You
youngest I
good.
fuck with is a 25-year-old.
That's not
I
bad.
ain't gonna go
suitable.
younger than that.
That's suitable.
That's not bad.
Yeah. 25, you reach that mark to where you ain't really fully developed as a man yet, but you almost there. You feel
You
like
see,
you
you
make a
figured it
change.
out.
Yeah, you over that hump of like, okay, I gotta make some decisions. decision. So
Right.
I feel like at 25, he's half of the man of what he's gonna be at 30.
Yeah.
That is very true. I definitely agree.
And all you niggas that's 30 still ain't got it together either.
Ooh.
Period.
Ooh.
I don't got my nails done. My hands are
Okay, I can do it.
So,
I got mine done.
This is what
Fair.
it said. This is a little. I'm gonna go off subject a little bit. So we want to get. Do y'all want to tell them the hand trick or not? The hand, not hand trick.
If you got a big hand, your dick big.
Basically.
I think we talked about that. We did sex 101.
Hands and feet.
I told y'all to stop looking for guys at their shoes, because shoes be
And
lying.
we all said earlier.
Look
who
at
would
their
have a
hands.
big dick and a little dick. I would.
Out of our heads,
Little
Elle would
dick.
have, Eric would have a little dick.
These two would have big dicks. Elle would probably have a fatter, a thicker.
I'm
dick.
gonna have a lanky dick.
Kids are gonna
Based
have
on my
little
hands.
dicks.
And you gonna do it based
So
off
yeah,
this.
little dick.
This how long the nigga's dick be.
Big fat
From here. Right
Long
here.
skinny dick. I mean, long skinny dick.
I'm telling you, ladies.
So you got to
I'm telling you.
tell everybody the dick sequential order again.
Let me tell you.
What?
Look at the nigga hands.
Yeah.
This
No
how long
matter
it's
how
gonna
old
be.
he is, look at that nigga
This how
hand.
long it's gonna be. From right here to here.
Ooh.
That's how you measure it.
Ooh.
And that's real talk. I gave y'all that secret.
I got a little ass.
You got
So little dick,
So,
big dick, and I'm a lanky dick.
I'm a little dick nigga.
She a little dick nigga. You a big dick nigga.
Oh my God.
And I'm a
Hey,
lanky
what's up?
dick.
What's up?
So everybody gonna be trying to get with
That would be sick if I had a big leg.
She has a big dick.
Y'all imagine
And
it.
y'all, we just playing. None of us got dicks.
Y'all, can y'all imagine a world though if the bitches had the links instead and the niggas
I got on this dress and I got a big ass.
What if our dick was based on it?
But you know
Or
what?
pussy lips?
But it would be normal.
What if the bigger your pussy lip, the better your pussy? The
What if your
bigger
pussy
your
lips was this long? This how long your pussy lips?
Niggas don't like big pussy lips.
That's
Ew.
I've been told niggas don't think that shit sexy.
Niggas like fat pussy.
They like that pussies, but they don't like that pussy lips.
I'm about to go with the show. I can't
Hey
go.
y'all, like facts!
I'm about to go.
Ratchet.
I don't think I got fat pussy lips. I don't know. I can't. I
My
don't
girlfriend
know.
just looked at y'all.
I can't have my.
So
I mean,
tonight,
it's neat and
Go home.
clean, but pussies in general.
Everybody go home, get you a minute.
So do y'all think a nigga like the fatness of the pussy, like when
I
how
think
skinny
the
the
nigga
jeans?
like the wetness
I
and the
know.
tightness of a pussy.
I know niggas
The
like fat pussy,
freshness of
for
a
sure.
pussy.
Cause I have a little pussy.
Little pussy. Got that little pussy.
I'd rather not say what I have.
Little pussy. Little pussy.
I'd rather not say what I
Yeah,
have.
got that little pussy.
And you got big dick hands and little pussy.
I got a little pussy.
Yeah.
I guess I got a little pussy.
There be some bitches with some fat pussies.
What's a fat pussy?
When it be sick, did you can see it through the pants?
Okay.
Yeah, I
Camel
like that
toe.
pussy.
It's like thick.
Kids
I didn't want to say anything. I didn't want to say nothing.
Ratchet.
That's why I kept quiet. I didn't want to say anything.
Ratchet.
I mean,
I'm so sorry.
okay.
Oh, and it's
Okay.
one of those times. You swing on the show.
earlier it had sounded like I had insinuated that one of the ladies on this show may have had a fat pussy. I'm sorry. I was tripping.
Yeah,
I've never
and
seen
it's
it.
wrong.
Fat pussies.
I got a
Fellas.
little pussy.
I got a little pussy.
Hey, Kalu, what kind of pussy you got?
Well, I had the big link.
Oh, you do got a big link.
You do got big
I
things.
got a little link and a little pussy.
You a little ass bitch.
Ooh.
That's a little hoe.
I'd rather not say what I got.
Ratchet, have y'all really just looked at y'all pussy lips on?
I mean, my shit.
When's the last time you really just looked at
I
your
look
lips?
at my shit really like every day.
Your lips?
I like to bend over, and when I put
look at your lips?
In the
How
mirror.
do you look at your lips?
I mean, I don't have a certain time.
Y'all ladies, do y'all look at y'all shit like that, bro?
When you get out the shower, you don't bend over in the mirror.
No.
No. I don't.
Every time I get to
Not every time. Okay,
I'm just
not
like
gonna-
this.
I'm not gonna say, look,
Don't do that.
I'm not gonna say every day. It's definitely not every day.
Yeah.
But you know, it's probably like at least once a week. At least once or twice a week. I'm like, what's up? You know.
What?
Look at it there.
What's going on down there, ho?
Just on some dick.
Just leaking it.
Bitch, I know it's been a minute.
Bitch, I want some dick.
Oh, come on, ho.
What if your pussy was like, bitch, I lost a dick. Bitch, I lost a dick.
Bitch, you want me to call?
What if your pussies automatically start vibrating when it was time to get linked?
Oh, I would just masturbate.
Niggas would love that shit.
BB, time to get linked.
Time to get linked.
Call a nigga. If my pussy vibrated, that would be amazing.
What if your dick pussy start vibrating? You had a clock countdown. You had all this.
Oh, what? What happened?
You had to get dick. Or
Oh,
Or what?
Oh,
What's the or? What happens if the or? If I don't get dick, what happens to my pussy?
you're pregnant.
What?
You automatically get
I'll be
pregnant.
raping
It
niggas.
is already
jumping on
I'll be
niggas.
raping.
Your body set a clock.
Damn, niggas.
It's on its last leg.
Y'all,
Your
the
body
shot went
needs
left.
link. You have a clock. If you don't get a link within the next 2 hours, you're pregnant.
I'll be jumping on niggas as I. Bitch,
Basically,
park at the car and
So
jump on
what if you
niggas.
at work, you work your shift?
Why are we having this conversation?
Baby! Oh my God.
It's time.
It's time!
I know.
Bitch, I'm leaving. Period. I tell my boss my period just start.
No. They gonna have niggas who will let you fuck for money. It's gonna be prostitute niggas.
Shit, find somebody to work.
Your clock went
You
off.
gotta be
You got
down.
2 hours to get some dick and you pregnant.
You
What
gotta
are you gonna do,
You gotta
ladies?
go make a dick appointment.
Appointment.
A dick appointment. Oh my God, I gotta make, it's gonna be a big
You have had to fuck and bust by the 2 hours.
I'm telling you, but if there's some
What are you gonna do? No matter where you at.
Can I masturbate?
What if you at home with your child?
Oh my God.
you disgusting.
This show is going to the extreme.
Nah,
The
bro.
original topic
You
was
have to
Asian
jump in
and
on
no
me.
man.
shit tonight.
This is some weird shit. I don't even know why my pussy
What's
is
wrong with
vibrating.
you?
I don't even know. The main topic tonight was age ain't no
We
but a
get the
number.
chips and all.
My God, what was the last topic for tonight?
Yeah, hoe. Hoe wanna fuck the mama.
I don't know what's going on with this mission. Want your mama to catch nut?
No question.
Bitch, you the one. It was your
I said my
scenario.
mama catching up. That's
It
on
was your
her.
scenario.
That's
hoe.
on her.
This how brought up
That's
mama.
her midnight.
Nah,
I'm done.
I'm just speaking facts.
nah.
Man was weird. Man was mama catch.
I'm done. Well, y'all.
No, ain't no y'all. Ratchet talk.
Actually, our show has come to an end.
Let's talk to our ratchets.
But you know, I really enjoyed y'all tonight, and I hope y'all enjoyed us. And we did get extra
Enjoy this tonight.
ratchet tonight, like I told y'all we would.
Age ain't nothing but a number. You and I ain't nothing but a thing.
Hey.
And something I have for you that will never change.
Okay, ladies, vocals.
Come through, bass and altos. Age ain't number the number.
I'm done.
And if y'all fuck with the show, where can they find us, Kayla?
You can find us on YouTube, which is Ratchet_CHATZ with a Z .podcast. Please make sure.
Please!
Please.
Please!
Please.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Watch the
If
show.
y'all subscribe,
You know another thing you
I'm
can
gonna
do?
drop this whole next time.
If you forget, turn your notifications on YouTube.
And you won't forget.
Why y'all be watching all the other bullshit?
Watch some real
Watch
bitches,
some real bitches.
bruh.
Get ratchet, basically. So before we we end the show, you know, we have to end with our Ratchet Chit for tonight. And also make sure to follow us on Instagram, which is Ratchet_CHATZ.podcast. Also, if you have any questions or topics you want us to discuss, DM us.
Don't be
trying to do that shit on Wednesday either. Okay?
You got a whole motherfucking week to let us know what you want us to talk about on next week's show.
Wednesday, can you talk about this? No, we not.
Follow our leaders.
Ahead of time.
And bring some more ratchets with you next week.
Bring some ratchets to the show.
Next week.
Damn.
This is getting mad.
We fuck with y'all. And we appreciate y'all.
We love our ratchets.
In this bitch.
Okay. So go ahead with our ratchet cheer.
If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you bitch too shit. And ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. Clap your ass. Clap your ass.
Get jail.
Get your.
Oh, that's new. Left, right.
Biscuit dry. Biscuit pop.
Oh! Chill.
Relax.
This is
Okay, y'all. So y'all know every night when we, not every night, but every Wednesday when we end the show, we end with a ratchet song.
Yeah.
For tonight. So our ratchet song tonight is gonna be "The Baby."
Who fuck with the baby?
The baby.
With the baby.
Not little baby, but the baby.
He ain't the baby.
The baby.
My baby.
That's
No, that's my baby.
No, that's my baby.
No, that's my baby.
Bitch,
That's my baby.
okay, do y'all know how old he is? Since y'all was out doing all the bumping earlier.
Old enough to get this pussy.
Ooh.
Play the song.
Anyways.
And that's so big. Why you talking about how old you are? You'll fuck shit out that little young bitch.
Hey.